The forest region. Highlights of the lesson. Students will learn about the location, climate and vegetation of DRC. About the wildlife, agriculture, mineral resources and the water resources of DRC. About the life of the people of DRC. We learn Democratic Republic of Congo. The Democratic Republic of Congo was formerly known as Zaire. It is located between 5° N and 10° S latitude. It is the third biggest African country with regards to area, after Sudan and Algeria. It covers an area of 23.5 lakh square miles. Almost 33% of the country is located in the northern hemisphere and the rest of it falls in the southern hemisphere. It is bordered by the Central African Republic and South Sudan in the north, Angola and Zambia in the south, Uganda, Rwanda, Tanzania, and Burundi in the east and Republic of Congo in the west. Democratic Republic of Congo is located in Central Africa and the equator passes through it. Its capital, Kinshasa, is located on the Congo River. Democratic Republic of Congo is almost a landlocked country. Relief of the land. The relief features of Democratic Republic of Congo are quite similar to India. There are 3 mountain ranges, coastal plains, high plateaus, a major valley and a large river basin called the Congo Basin. In fact, River Congo is regarded as the most important river in the country. The river, along with its tributaries, is the major mode of transportation and of extreme economic importance. Its major tributaries are Kasai, Sangha, Ubangi, Aruvimi, and Lulonga. Congo River is also known as the Highway of Central Africa. The eastern part of the country has many lakes like Lake Albert, Lake Edward, and Kivu. Since Democratic Republic of Congo lies in the equatorial region, it receives heavy rainfall throughout the year. The climate is conducive for the growth of dense and thick forests. There is hardly any soil erosion and the soil is thoroughly nourished by humus. Climate. Since the Democratic Republic of Congo lies in the equatorial region, it receives heavy rainfall throughout the year. It is also extremely hot throughout the year, without much difference in summer and winter. Here, the days and nights are of equal length. Owing to the year-round high temperatures, there is plenty of evaporation. This means that clouds build up on a regular basis and it rains. This happens almost every evening. This rainfall is called at the 4 o'clock showers. The mornings are normally pleasant with lots of sunshine, and the evenings and nights are cool because of the heavy showers. The heart of the Congo Basin is covered with thick forests called the equatorial rainforests. The trees reach a height of about 40 to 50 meters. The bigger trees form a canopy-like covering with their leaves which cannot be penetrated even by sunlight. Due to this canopy, it is always dark over here. Trees like eucalyptus, mahogany, ebony, and iroko provide timber. Rubber and palm trees grow in abundance. Many medicinal plants also grow here like cinchona, the source of quinine, a medicine used in curing malaria. Many types of edible vegetables and mushrooms also grow in the wild. In the humid equatorial region, cassava, tuber root, rice, peanuts, groundnuts, corn, oil palms, and fruit trees are found in abundance. The rainforests here are the second largest in the world and also one of the thickest. Since they remain green throughout the year, they are also known as evergreen forests. There are many grasslands in the southern and southwestern part of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Animal life. The equatorial rainforests are home to a rich and diverse variety of animals. However, because of hunting, animal life is diminishing. Chimpanzees, gorillas, bonobos, elephants, monkeys, and baboons are found in the forests and savanna woodlands. The northern grasslands are inhabited by lions, leopards, jackals, hyenas, cheetah, wild cats, wild dogs, buffaloes, and black and white rhinoceros. The Congo River and the lakes have crocodiles, hippos, dolphins, and a variety of fish like catfish and jellyfish. The rainforests are home to a variety of reptiles like pythons, vipers, tree cobras, lizards, frogs, and chameleons. There are also hundreds of beautiful butterfly species and birds like parrots, pelicans, owls, cranes, eagles, vultures, ducks, and pigeons. Many insects like bees, beetles, scorpions, tsetse fly, mosquitoes, termites, ants, centipedes, and millipedes are found in abundance. Several national parks and wildlife sanctuaries have been set up to protect the animals in this region. People and language. Democratic Republic of Congo has 4 national languages, one of them is Swahili. French is the official language. Christianity is the main religion of a large part of the population. Traditionally, Africans believe in the powers of ancestors, spirits of nature, and magic. The main occupation has been forestry, agriculture, animal husbandry, hunting, and fishing. Mining of copper and diamonds is also carried out on a large scale. The Batu tribe forms a majority of the country's population. The early inhabitants were called the Pygmies of Congo. Some of them still inhabit the forest and have settled in the areas near the lakes and rivers. They were driven to these places by the European colonizers. Their main occupations was hunting and gathering food. They lead nomadic lives and speak in sign language. Batu tribe. They do not eat cooked food. Their most popular forms of entertainment are dance and drum music. The Bantus too are fond of music and dancing and wear colorful clothing on occasion. Economy. The Katanga province is rich in minerals like gold, silver, copper, zinc, coal, uranium, and platinum, which are exported all over the world. In the southern and eastern parts of Congo River, one will find mineral resources such as diamonds, manganese, tin, and iron ore. Cobalt, cadmium, petroleum, germanium, radium, and bauxite are found here. In fact, the Democratic Republic of Congo is regarded as one of the highest producers of copper in the world. It also has 65% of the world's cobalt. The country is well known for its palm oil and diamonds. In terms of water wealth, it is the richest country. Several dams have also been built to make use of the country's water resources. Transport. The Congo River and its tributaries are the main means of transport. They are supported by rail, road, and air services. The main port is Matadi. The country's transportation system is poor because of the dense forests, which makes it hard for roads and railway lines to be constructed. Do you know? The tallest of the pygmies rarely exceed 5 feet in height. Art. Many ethnic groups in Democratic Republic of Congo have developed arts like painting, music and dance. Different regions are famous for different art forms. Southwest Congo is known for stone and nail-studded statues of Congo people. African jazz has found popularity in many countries beyond the African continent. The Academy of Fine Arts in Kinshasa offers training programs in ceramics, sculpture, carvings, architecture, and painting. Let's recall. Democratic Republic of Congo is in Central Africa and its capital is Kinshasa. It is a landlocked country and lies in the equatorial region. It has a hot and wet climate. French is the official language of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Democratic Republic of Congo is covered with rainforests and is rich in wildlife. The Batu tribe forms the majority of the population. The Pygmies were the earlier inhabitant in this area. The main occupation is agriculture, mining, hunting and fishing. The Congo River and its tributaries are used for transportation. Glossary. Humus. The organic part of soil which is formed because of decomposition of plants. Cassava. A tuber root. Ancestor. A person from which others have evolved. Animal husbandry. Breeding and caring of farm animals. Tributary. A small stream that joins a larger river. Ceramic. Pots and other articles that are made of clay.